Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by pairing devices. Make sure your iPhone and camera are powered and on the same Wi-Fi or connected by USB for stable feed. Once done, install the companion app on both iPhone and computer. Camo and Epoch Cam are common because they handle resolution and latency. You should grant camera and microphone permissions on your phone and plug into power to prevent shutdown. If using a mirrorless or DSLR, enable clean HDMI out or USB webcam mode. That ensures a clear, clutter-free picture for monitoring. Now you connect the feed. Open the app on both devices and pair them, either via the network code or USB pairing prompt, so the iPhone becomes a monitor. Then select the correct camera source in the desktop app, choose resolution and frame rate to balance quality and latency. For many shoots, 1080p at 30 FPS is ideal. Make sure to lock exposure and focus on the camera. Disable overlays by enabling clean HDMI or webcam mode, and set orientation so the preview matches your composition. Finish by mounting the iPhone securely on a tripod or clamp and enable grid or guide overlays to frame properly. Then run a short test recording to verify audio-video sync, exposure, and latency under real conditions. Adjust white balance as needed. If you see lag or dropped frames, make sure to try a USB connection, lower the stream resolution, quit background apps, or restart the phone and computer. One key troubleshooting tip. If pairing fails, toggle Wi-Fi and reconnect both devices in the app to reset the session.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.